Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Google Ads for affiliate marketing with Click. Create a Google Ads account if you don't have one already. Visit the Google Ads homepage and click on Start Now. Sign in using your Google account credentials. Once logged in, click on the New Campaign button. Select your campaign goal. For affiliate marketing, choose sales or website traffic. Next, select the campaign type. Typically, search or display campaigns work best for affiliate marketing. Enter your campaign name. This should be descriptive to help you identify it later. Set your budget. Determine how much you are willing to spend daily. Choose your bidding strategy. For beginners, maximize conversions is often a good choice. Define your target audience. Specify locations, languages, and demographics relevant to your ClickBank offers. Now, create your ad groups. An ad group should focus on a specific product or niche. Research relevant keywords using the Google Ads Keyword Planner. Select keywords with high search volume and low competition. Create compelling ad copy. Your headline should be attention-grabbing and include your primary keywords. Write a clear and enticing description. Make sure to emphasize the benefits of the product you're promoting. Add a strong call to action. Encourage users to click through to your offer. Enter your ClickBank affiliate link as the final URL. Ensure that the link is correct and properly redirects. Review your ads to make sure everything is in order. Check for any spelling or grammar errors. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.